Hello Falcons, I am here with a new video. But first, there is an announcement for Hindi viewers. अगर आप ये वीडियो उर्दू या हिंदी में देखना चाहते हैं तो लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. If you want to change your flag, then this video is for you. If you want to rename your ID, then I have made another video. I'll paste the link in the description. I'll tell you easiest and free tip in the end of the video. So please stick with me till the end. And if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel as I bring regular videos on tips and tricks and gameplays of Pubg. So please subscribe. And let's begin the video. Like other YouTubers, I'll never recommend you to purchase a 90 UC flag card from Lucky Shop. You can get your first free card from True Shop. In True Shop, you can get this card only for 200 battle points. You have to earn these battle points in True Challenges. True Challenges take place once a month and you can easily earn these battle points if you survive till top 10. And the second tip is easier and free. Click on your profile, edit button, and here in flags, you can change your flag for free if you haven't changed it since 60 days. Once a 60 days, you can change it for free and you don't need any flag card or rename card for it. Just select your favorite country and hit the OK button. If you find this video useful, you can give me popularity on my Pubg ID, which I'll show you on screen. So before ending this video, like always, I'll request you, if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, do hit the like button. Thank you.